Hey gang, how do you make an easy breezy down and dirty Hammock Ridgeline Organizer out of something that you probably have laying around your garage? I'm going to show you right now. Okay, it's still pretty hot, but eventually it's going to cool off, and me and Trailblazer Tim are going to be able to go out and do some hammock camping. And I've already got my hammock set up and configured with a nice Amsteel Ridgeline, but wouldn't it be nice to have one of those little mesh bags to use as a Ridgeline organizer, so you could put maybe a water bottle in, or your keys, or your cell phone, or some mosquito repellent or something like that? That would be great, wouldn't it? Well, a lot of people have some of these laying around, little mesh bags. This is pretty big, but I just happen to have this nice little pouch that is from my Outdoor Products 5x7 tarp, and it's really good size. It'll hold lights, it'll hold keys, it'll hold cigarettes, a bottle of water, a lot of different stuff. So let's go over to our Improvised Ridgeline, and I'll show you how to make that thing up. Okay, here we go. We have our actual hammock set up, and we got our Ridgeline out here. We got our little bag. So first thing to do is get about, I don't know, an inch and a half of line on the other side of the little string nut. Then this is much easier to do with two hands than it is with one. So what you do is, and this works either going over the line or coming under the line. I'm going to go over the line because it's a little easier. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to spread this apart, go over the line, come back under with the knot, push it through. Okay, now you're going to go and tighten up this little string nut and just push it up against the knot. So now you have kind of a little lark's head, okay, and it's right up against the knot. Now your bag is hung from your Ridgeline. Now you can slide this anywhere you want to and have it hung on your Ridgeline. Okay, comes off just as easy. Now we're going to go under. Okay, so you go under the Ridgeline and just fold the knot over through like you're making a little lark's head. Hopefully that'll stay. Okay, now you just tighten up the string nut against the knot, and it will not pull through, and you have an instant Ridgeline organizer. Okay, that's how to make a quick and easy down and dirty Ridgeline organizer out of something that you probably already have laying around, one of these nice little mesh bags with the little adjustable locking nut on it. Try it, it works great. Back with another Bushcraft quick tip. This is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.